So I think this is question number 93. Maybe I'm wrong. No, it's question 83. I'm sorry. And we have here two different equations. One equation A and B. And it says that below are coordinates of 3 points, and the equation is two lines. For each line, determine which of the points, if any, lie in that line. There may be more than one. So, I guess we'll look at B together. So if I'm looking at B and I want to know, for example, if point X lies on this line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the Y value and the X value. And that's a lowercase x, right? Different than point X. Yeah, that's a good notation thing. Notice that my points are all written with capital letters. So point X, point Y, and point Z. Each one of those points have an X coordinate and a Y coordinate, X and a Y. So if I want to test and see if the point X is on this line, I'm going to plug the values of X and Y, the X coordinate and the Y coordinate, into that point and see if they make the equation true. So for point X, the Y coordinate is 15. So I'm looking at 15 minus 16 on one side of the equation. And on the other side, I have negative 4 times the quantity of 0 minus 3. Well, let's see. 15 minus 16 is negative 1. So my left-hand side is negative 1. And the right-hand side looks like it's negative 3 times 4, or negative 4 times negative 3, which is positive 12. And I'm pretty sure that negative 1 is not 12. So this point X is not on the second line. Let's test a few more. We'll go ahead and do the B all the way. We'll test all of them. So the next one is Y, and I'm just going to write this solid line underneath it, under the equal sign. I'm going to go and pick up the Y value at 16. So I have here 16 minus 16, which is 0. So the left-hand side is 0. And then let's plug in 3. So we have negative 4 times the quantity of 3 minus 3, which is convenient because that's negative 4 times 0, which is also 0. Yay, I have a point that works. So point Y is on this line. So Y is on this line. Which line? It's on this line right there. And then let's test the last one here. The point is 7, 0. So same exact technique. I'm just going to draw the line right under the equal sign. And my Y value is 0, so I have 0 minus 16, which is negative 16. And on the other side, I'm going to have negative 4 times the quantity of 7 minus 3. Well, 7 minus 3 is negative 4. No. Actually, 7 minus 3 is positive 4. So this becomes negative 4 times a positive 4, which is negative 16. And since negative 16 is negative 16, it turns out that Z is, not I-O, Z is on this line also. So for B, both Y and Z were on that line. Have fun with part A.